Phoenix Audio presents.
From the Library of Contemporary Thought, Rocks of Ages, Science and Religion in the Fullness of Life, by Stephen Jay Gould, read by Richard McGonagle. The problem stated. Preamble. I write this little book to present a blessedly simple and entirely conventional resolution to an issue so laden with emotion and the burden of history that a clear path usually becomes overgrown by a tangle of contention and confusion. I speak of the supposed conflict between science and religion, a debate that exists only in people's minds and social practices, not in the logic or proper utility of these entirely different and equally vital subjects. I present nothing original in stating the basic thesis, while perhaps claiming some inventiveness in choice of illustrations, for my argument follows a strong consensus accepted for decades by leading scientific and religious thinkers alike. Our preferences for synthesis and unification often prevent us from recognizing that many crucial problems in our complex lives find better resolution under the opposite strategy of principled and respectful separation. People of goodwill wish to see science and religion at peace, working together to enrich our practical and ethical lives. From this worthy premise, people often draw the wrong inference that joint action implies common methodology and subject matter. In other words, that some grand intellectual structure will bring science and religion into unity, either by infusing nature with a knowable factuality of godliness, or by tooling up the logic of religion to an invincibility that will finally make atheism impossible. But just as human bodies require both food and sleep for sustenance, the proper care of any whole must call upon disparate contributions from independent parts. We must live the fullness of a complete life in many mansions of a neighborhood that would delight any modern advocate of diversity. I do not see how science and religion could be unified, or even synthesized, under any common scheme of explanation or analysis. But I also do not understand why the two enterprises should experience any conflict. Science tries to document the factual character of the natural world, and to develop theories that coordinate and explain these facts. Religion, on the other hand, operates in the equally important but utterly different realm of human purposes, meanings, and values. Subjects that the factual domain of science might illuminate, but can never resolve. Similarly, while scientists must operate with ethical principles, some specific to their practice.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?